What's going on, everybody? Eric back here with another YouTube video. You guys, thank you yet again for tuning in to another YouTube video of mine. Guys, if you haven't already, please click the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps out with the algorithm. And you guys, let's get right into it, baby. I'm so excited for this week, you guys. I think this is going to be a huge week for the stock market, and it's just something you're not going to want to miss out on, especially if you're looking to turn 500 into 5,000 or 1,000 into 10, 10 into 100,000, 100 into a million. Guys, this is gonna be a huge week, I think, for the stock market itself. And I'm gonna run through with you guys on the days that I do see potential of trading on, and the days where I feel like you should just, close your computers and not trade on those days. So yeah, let's get right into it, baby. Let's go. All right, so here we got ticker symbol SPY, SPY, and NVIDIA, obviously, that I actually have been watching all of last week, and it made a huge significant move towards the upside. We ended up cashing out stupid money on NVIDIA, stupid money on Snow, and stupid money on Moderna. And actually, I'm going to run through you guys probably through a various of like 4 or 5 stocks I think you should definitely keep on your watch list for the week. So Moderna, I actually really wanted to keep a close eye on, just because it really broke out of its range, guys. And I think this could be a huge move towards the upside if we understand how to take advantage of it. Now, a lot of people, when they're trading, they're just like, oh my God, it's going up, I'm going to buy calls, or going down, I'm going to buy puts. No, I like to play confirmations, and I like to play those bounces and rejection areas or those breakouts where I do see more potential either towards the upside or downside. So going and looking on Moderna, I'm going to chart out everything exactly what I see, and I'm going to actually make this one screen because I want you guys to not get confused. I'm going to show you guys using technical analysis what I see and how I actually chart out my stocks every single week, you guys. So Moderna, where are you? Okay, so what we want to do first, we want to identify the overall. Okay, what does the overall pattern look like on Moderna? Okay, obviously it's going up, but whatever goes up must come down for a time being, and probably make a further move towards the upside, obviously depending on how the market reacts as well. So on Moderna, we want to see the levels. So where are we going to set our levels here? Okay, so we're going to set. So since we're bullish on Moderna, and you guys, I really think Moderna is going to drop a little bit, and then we could buy either the bounce or, we could even buy the rejection area on Moderna. But as what I see right here, MACD is a bit overextended, stochastic slow is a bit overextended, and CCI is actually quite extended towards the upside. We could see a further move to the downside temporarily, towards the downside, and then we can see a bounce at these levels right here. So I think Moderna is going to come down to, let's just say, probably even, where is my price action tool? Probably even like right there, down to the 61%, I would say. Dude, if it ever wants to get on there. So the reason why I say 61%, because it had a difficult time even breaking this level of 155.60, that what it looks like here. And then it finally broke, obviously, through, tested the 155.60 again, and then came back up again and, tested here, almost tested back up here, failed, came back down. So we're going to test this 156. You guys, if you want to buy the bounce for calls on Moderna, I would suggest really paying close attention to this 155.60 range for bounce for calls, and that's going to be my overall opinion. I think probably by Tuesday or even Tuesday or even Wednesday. I think Monday is going to be a flat day, to be honest. I think Moderna is probably going to consolidate within a range. I would say probably within maybe 181 to 167. I think it's going to consolidate around this range going into Monday. Monday, I feel like, is going to be a flat day for sure. But if we want to buy the bounce for calls, I'm going to look at that 156, even down towards the 155.80 area. SPY is going to be huge on my major watch list because, you guys, we have gap fills. And you guys, oh my God, I love playing freaking gap fills. I love freaking making money on gap fills. I make stupid money on them if you understand how to play them. Okay, they don't just happen right away. I mean, they happen and then they reject, happen and they reject. So obviously, I have my whole charts filled out here, and wait, am I on the daily already? Yeah. Let me clear this real quick, just so you guys get a full understanding. No, wait, not create. What the hell am I doing, dude? Where is remove all drawings? For some reason, I cannot find it. Remove. Maybe I gotta click out. Okay, there we go. Clear drawing set. Okay, cool. So we want to start off by building out our fib level lines. And you guys, I've been getting this question asked so much. Honestly, it's kind of annoying because like so many people are like, "Oh, do you not use the fibs anymore?" You guys, I freaking use the fibs all the time. You guys, you have to understand. I've been trading in this market for almost, literally, it feels like almost a decade. It's almost a decade. I'm coming up to my 9th year. You guys, I can tell you with my experience, I don't need to almost draw out fib levels just because I noticed them. Like I already know where the 61.8% and the 78%, fib level marks are really. Like I really almost know it just by visually looking at it. I know it sounds crazy, but you guys have watched this market 365 days a freaking year for the past almost 9 years. I mean, I've been doing this, 8.5, coming up to my 9th. Damn, a while, for sure a while. So I'm going to mark my fibs there. And again, it's nice to have, just to make sure you get that reassurance of understanding where the stock could possibly move down to. So gap fill right there that we need to fill. You guys, we are in gap fill zone right here. Okay. We're in gap fill zone. This is gap fill zone. Like, that's why I had my shit drawn out. Gap fill zone right here. Gap fill 1. It's already filled. Like, and I'm going to show you guys, I think the furthest we are probably going to drop, if we do end up dropping, is going to be this area right here. Okay, so we got the channel, right, built. We got this channel built. I'm going to show you guys what the F I'm talking about, baby. Right there. Got the channel from there to here, right? Oh my gosh, bro. This shit's so annoying sometimes. Like, this is why I do this shit on my phone. Oh, I'm so frustrated because it just doesn't freaking do it sometimes. It pisses me off, honestly. I don't have time for this shit, man. I don't have time for this TD Ameritrade of frick. Oh my god, are you guys seeing this? For real. Alright, so we're in this channel. So I get super frustrated when I'm charting out because I want to make sure it lines up perfect. Sometimes it doesn't. Alright. So we also notice this too. We want to be perfect, you guys. We want to be as perfect as we can, at least as perfect as we can. So that's going to be a key level, baby. Key freaking level right there. Sorry, I'm going to remove this gap. This shit's distracting me like crazy. So I think we're going to drop down to, let's see, probably 385.30, honestly. I think we're going to drop down to here or probably even lower, to be honest. Probably, you know what? I'm going to actually take 385.20. Where is this shit? Let me see. Guys, this is what I do. Like, I'm figuring out where it's going to drop down to where I can buy the bounce. Remember, I'm in the market to buy cheap and, run up my contracts so I can make, 500, 1,000%. I'm trying to aim for those big numbers. So I think it's going to drop even down at 383 probably. If we don't break, honestly, this wedge right here, I think it's going to drop down to 383. That could be a level right there. The 383. We could drop down to 385.30. That could be a level 2 because it did hold above that on Thursday, and then Wednesday it tested that 385.30. So we could drop back down there by the bounce there. That'd be a good bounce play. We can see some more rejections and bounce areas right there. Dude, oh my gosh. This shit's frustrating. Oh my God. Guys, this is what I go through on a daily basis. I just do a lot faster on my phone. Honestly, I really do. Just can't show you really on my phone. It just wouldn't make sense if I showed you on my phone. So yeah, 383, 385. 385, 30, 383. I think those are me the two levels. Google, I'm going to be watching. Hell yeah, Google. So Google, like, broke out of this wedge. Dude, I freaking love Google. Oh my gosh. I need to buy Google. Like 100%. 100% going to buy the shit out of Google. And then we're going to make it ball out money. Ball out money, baby. That's what it's going to be. Okay, so the wedge looks good. Pretty good from there. Google is going to be a buy zone around here. Probably around this wedge here, around the 2287. I'm going to say 2285. Okay, so going into March trading, if we see a hard pullback, that's going to be a buy zone for me at least, where I'm going to buy Google. Again, anything can change pre-market, you guys. It really can. So make sure you keep that in mind. This is a good buy zone too, I think, the 2335. But I like 2285 for bounce for calls. CCI is overextended. Stochastic slow is becoming overextended. MACD not really. MACD starting to kind of mid extension, but it's still cool. Google for sure. I think we can buy a bounce for calls here. 2285 would be a good buy zone right there. Shop. No, you know what? Snow. That's what I'm going to be watching. Is freaking Snow, baby. This shit ran. We made 400% in pure profits on Snow in less than 1 hour, you guys, on 0 days till expiration on Fridays. You guys, it was insane. It was insane. Just played Snow. Played Snow for 400 freaking percent, baby. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. We know how to freaking do it, baby. So, okay. Volume looks like shit. Not much going on. I'm going to figure out my fib lines right here. Okay. So fibs there. There. Oh, dude. This shit looks like a freaking rising wedge, bro. Damn. I wasn't hoping for that, but, because I'm bullish, man. I'm bull. I'm bullish as shit, man. I don't like this rising wedge. I don't like it, but again, we play where we see opportunity in the market. Stochastic slows crossing towards the downside. Not a good side for Snow. Could actually fall. CCI is a bit overextended. I think overextension is about 150. So 150 is like right about there. So it could run. It could run, honestly. If we see bullish momentum on Snow, okay, and with the market, if we see bullish momentum with SPY, I might run this up to, I don't know, I'd probably say like 180, full extension of the 161.8% on the fibs. That's probably where I'm looking to take profit if I do run up Snow. Again, I really liked it on Friday. I think it ran up good. We bought in the beginning of the day, freaking, like I said, 400% right there, Good freaking day for Snow. Could break towards the downside. Honestly, I might short this. If it comes back up, I might short it. So I'm going to look for both sides. I'm going to see how momentum is. I'm going to see, what it presents us with an opportunity. It did break out of its overall wedge, which I do like overall towards the upside, but I don't like towards the downside just because right now we're like, it doesn't look good. It really doesn't look good. So right here, Snow. Yeah. So, I mean, if I'm going to buy Snow for calls, I'm going to buy down here. Honestly, I know it sounds crazy, but that's literally what I'm going to buy, if I want to, on that wedge, the trend line of that wedge. But overall, probably a short for Snow, to be honest. Yeah, it sucks. See that fall? See that rising wedge, you guys? It's closing up. It's gapping in, and Just doesn't look like, it really doesn't look the best, to be honest. And I could probably even like fix it too, like so it really looks like a freaking rising wedge. Damn, that disappoints me. I mean, yeah, we could see. I mean, we might see a break towards the upside, but we got to get a bounce somewhere around the 140. It can drop to 140, get a bounce there, and then we can figure out our patterns from there. But overall, rising wedge for sure. So let's see. Okay, so rising wedge. It's not gonna be bad. That's gonna be good. For snow, and then AMD is gonna be on my watch list too. Dude, AMD looks solid. Solid as shit towards the upside. I love AMD right now. I think AMD we could buy. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to fix my fit lines first. AMD would be a good play for bounce for calls. That would be a good freaking play for bounce for calls, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We like to play it one way or another. Okay, right there, son. Dude, oh my gosh, man. I swear I don't have enough room. Yeah, so AMD could break out anytime this week if we have a bullish run on SPY. I'm gonna watch AMD for a bounce for calls around 77.80, 77.80. If it opens up pre-market above here, I'm gonna watch it for a bounce around the 79.80. But more so 77.80 I really like for bounce for calls tested here. So that's a nice one. But anyways, guys, so that's going to be it for the video. I hope this kind of helped you guys out visually, what I'm doing behind the screen and how I'm charting out these stocks. Once again, you guys, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more daily content. You guys, I'll freaking see you in the next video. Let's roll Monday. Let's make some money this week. And yeah, let's go.